Sir, please give me C. C. This 20k. 20.
No, you know I can't take that from you. I mean, that's corruption.
Okay. Sir, I can still transfer more.
What do you, my friend? Put that thing down. Put that envelope down. What do you mean by transfer? Transfer to who? Do you what kind of insulting question is that? Do you know who you are talking to? Transfer to who? Who can give me money for anything in this school? I will not take that from you. You are very stupid. I could see from your face before you entered there that you're very stupid. And you have a very small mind. Very small mind.
I'm sorry, sir.
Transfer to who? Can you just imagine? Do you know who you're talking to? You think I'm one of those people when transfer to me? You're very stupid.
I'm sorry, sir.
And you have a very small mind. I've been lecturing since 17 AD. I've been beaten by this government, suffered, prosecuted in the village square. Transfer to who? You need to report yourself to your course advisor. Very stupid boy. Don't judge me by your own standards. Very stupid boy. I'm a rich man and I will never be a poor man. I spend, I don't take. Transfer to who? Very stupid boy. You think I'm like those lecturers you follow for grades? Yes, you. Transfer to who? I'm sorry, I don't really get angry very easily, but I have a very short fuse. Transfer to who? Very stupid boy, very insulting question. Don't judge me by your standards. Transfer to who? A retired babalawo, retired sugar daddy, dibia. Now daddy Jew and lecturer. Transfer to who? You are very stupid. And I won't take that insult from you. Transfer. If anybody sent you, tell them that you got more than you bargained for. Very stupid boy. Don't you ever judge me by your own standards. 003 404 2039, and I won't say it again. Savannah Bank. Transfer extra 5k. Very stupid boy. Wait. How can you judge me by your own standards? 20k? In fact, send extra 10k. And send me your matric number. Let me see how I can help you and move you to C. Very stupid boy. And if you like, don't send it before 5 p.m. I will hit you. Don't you ever try with me. And I will hit you hard. With an F. Stupid boy. Get her to my office. And call the next person.
No problem.
Me,
God will
20k.
see us.
A retired village evangelist. Now daddy G and lecturer.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.